हाय गाइस। आज हमारे पास है तीन डिवाइसेस, Reno 10X, Mi 11 Ultra and Huawei P40 Pro. So we'll compare these three devices in terms of camera. Basically it is a full camera comparison. So we'll compare in daylight, video and zoom, and also at the night. So at the night we have not chosen Reno 10X because the images are not very special or not comparable to these two. Basically these two will compare at night. So I will show you the camera interfaces. So let's see once how is the camera interface. This is Reno 10X, this is Mi 11 Ultra, and this is for Huawei P40 Pro. So basically nothing very special. So let's go and let's see the how is the comparison, right? Hi guys, this is a zoom test between Reno 10X, Mi 11 Ultra and P40 Pro. This is Reno 10X and our subject is that this antenna, and this is 1x zoom. Let's take the picture. So 1x, and let's go to 2x. Okay, so let's take the picture, and now let's go to 5x. That's optical zoom. Okay, the lens is changed. You see the now take the let's take the 5x zoom, and let's go to 10x. Okay, okay. So let's try this one. Okay, yes, now it's 10x, and let's try to take the image, and we'll try the best. Okay, and let's go to 20x. Since 20x toggle is not there, so it can be a little difficult, but okay, we reached. So let's take 20x, and now let's move all the way to, okay, there is 60x. Okay, we thought 50x. Okay, let's take a 60x picture, and also we'll take a 50x to be fair with every other competition devices. So this 50x all image. Okay, and there is so much jiggle, you see the phone is so much moving, no stabilization at 60x. So hi guys, we are doing a zoom test comparison between P40 Pro, Reno 10X and Mi 11 Ultra. So this is Mi 11 Ultra, and we'll start the zoom test. So this is 1x, and let's take a picture, and let's go all the way to 5x, and our subject is that dish antenna. So let's take 5x image, and let's go all the way up to 10x. So we want to capture it as better as we can. Okay, this is 10x, and since there is no 20x, so we'll try to go 20x. Okay, go to 20x, and let's take the image. Okay, focus, and okay, we got it. And let's go all the way up to 50x. So let's see how much clarity is on 50x. Okay, we got 50x, and let's capture it. Okay, we got it. So let's go all the way up to 120x. So at 120x the antenna is already crossed, and we cannot see much details of that antenna, so we have to come back and then go again. But I don't think that it's feasible to take that thing because it would be in focus. So let's take something which is above that, so that blue tank, we'll try to take that. Okay, if we can. So actually 20x 120x is not very stable. So okay, we got it. So guys, we are doing a zoom test between Huawei P40 Pro Plus, Reno 10X and Mi 11 Ultra. So this is Huawei P40 Pro Plus, and let's start the test. So this is 1x, and we'll take the picture of subject is the dish antenna of the TV at the front. So 1x picture, let's go to 5x, and at 5x it's okayish. It managed the exposure well, not very good. Okay, and let's go to 10x all the way. So at 10x okayish. Okay, now let's go to 20x because there is no slider for 20x, so it's not very good to slide at that point. So we will try, and since the smartphone is quite stable, not jiggly, so it's good. And we'll try the focus, and okay, focused. And now we'll go all the way up to 50x. So let's see how is the image quality. Okay, it's moving, start to getting jiggle, and of this focus hunting issue. So 50x is also okay. So now let's see some daytime shots. Here's the first shot. The best is the Reno 10X macro, then followed by P40 Pro, and then Mi 11 Ultra. Mi 11 Ultra has no macro sensor, and the ultra wide sensor has very long focal length. The second shot, the best goes for P40 Pro, then Reno 10X, then Mi 11 Ultra. Mi 11 Ultra has a so wide view that the image has no bokeh at all. And this goes to P40 Pro, then Reno 10X, then Mi 11 Ultra. Details are well preserved in P40 Pro. Reno 10X is just occasion, Mi 11 Ultra has blown it. This goes to Reno 10X for the good eye pleasing colors, then Mi 11 Ultra, then P40 Pro. P40 Pro has made it yellowish. I don't know why. This one goes to P40 Pro, then Mi 11 Ultra, then Reno 10X, because Reno 10X has no details, and also it was not able to take shot very clearly. So this is a shot of an apple, and I will choose P40 Pro or Mirror Ultra because of the sharpness the P40 Pro has given. Mirror Ultra has no sharpness, I think focus lost. So this one I will go for P40 Pro because the aspect ratio and the cut is very good. I can see the plant very clearly. In Mirror Ultra is okay-ish. This shot is just to show the bokeh effect. Mi-level Ultra has such a big sensor that the natural bokeh is so good. P40 Pro is okayish, the bokeh is okayish. So let's see the night shots now. So let's see what's the first nighttime shot. The first nighttime shot shows that P40 Pro is very good, but no, Mi-level Ultra has preserved details, and on zooming we will able to see that Mi-level Ultra has done good job. In this shot I will go with P40 Pro because Mi-level Ultra has details, but the shot, it makes the shot greenish after the image processing in the night time. This shot I will go with Mi-level Ultra for the details because P40 Pro has messed it. There is no detail, the plant is wholly blurred, and it was taken in total darkness. So Mi-level Ultra wins. This one I will go with P40 Pro because I was trying to shoot and it took a so good picture with the stage lighting effect, and Mi-level Ultra has blown it. This one I will go with the Mi-level Ultra for the good details and also for preserving the highlights and the shadows. P40 Pro has very less shadows and the highlights are clipped. You can see behind the dish antennas. In this one I will go with the P40 Pro because of the good details and also the image color is very natural. Mi-level Ultra ultrawide sensor has no details in the walls. You can see the bricks are having no details. It's like whitewashed. And the last shot is from the main sensor, so I will go with the P40 Pro for the color of the shot. And Mi Unlimited also saved the details, but P40 Pro has taken good image color. So guys, this was the comparison, and how did you felt? Do tell us on the comments, and please like, share and subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. We need your help to grow, and if you need more such content, please don't forget to give a like and also write in the comments which video would you like to see in the next one. So we would try to bring the best one towards you. So for this one we'll say bye bye and see you later.